Adding a HEIGH10 to your Jeep is going to add a ton of great features, but it's also going to retain many of your factory features. All of the factory high-definition cameras are retained in their full resolution, so they stay in high definition. For Jeeps equipped with automatic climate controls, we added this cool climate control app, which gives you an awesome graphic representation and replicates the climate controls. All of your factory controls and operations are retained, so if you want to use the physical analog controls, they still work perfectly. We retain all warning chimes like door open and key on, as well as park sense. All the factory steering wheel controls are retained. The vehicle settings screen allows you to adjust your vehicle settings. Camera options, driver assistance options, mirrors and wipers, lights, and things that happen when you leave your Jeep, like whether your doors lock or not. We also give you an engine off delay and memory option, as well as control over your aux switches, so you can change whether they're ignition or battery, or latched or momentary. Just tap the option to change it. With the Stinger HEIGH10, you can upgrade your Jeep without losing any of the great features you love.